best Borescope inspection cameras. As more professionals and DIY users tackle detailed diagnostics, the demand for the best Borescope inspection cameras continues to grow. These tools offer precision, durability, and the ability to inspect tight or hidden spaces with clarity. In this guide, we evaluate the top options based on camera type, build quality, cable flexibility, image layout, and overall value. Whether you're troubleshooting engines, plumbing, or home repairs, these reliable inspection cameras provide clear visuals and dependable performance. Product number 1. DepthTech Dual Lens Borescope Inspection Camera. The DepthTech Dual Lens Borescope is an excellent choice for users needing versatile viewing angles and enhanced clarity. Its dual lens design allows you to switch between front and side perspectives instantly, making it easier to inspect complex or narrow environments. The 1080p resolution ensures sharp images, while its semi-rigid 16.5-foot cable maintains flexibility without sacrificing control. A standout feature is its stable wireless connection, which pairs with most smartphones for live previewing and quick snapshots. The built-in LED lights deliver impressive brightness in dark areas, allowing detailed inspections even in engine compartments or HVAC systems. Additionally, the waterproof IP67 rating enhances its durability in wet or oily conditions. Given its blend of advanced imaging, portability, and user-friendly controls, this DepthTech model is ideal for mechanics, electricians, and homeowners who want dependable visibility and value at a fair price.
Product number 2. Kimpthe Endoscope Camera. The Kimpthe Endoscope camera offers an excellent balance between affordability and reliable performance, making it especially suitable for first-time users or DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a 1080p HD lens, it delivers clear, real-time visuals through its dedicated mobile app, which is easy to install and operate. Its flexible 16.4-foot cable reaches deep into confined spaces, making it useful for vehicle inspections, home repairs, or pipe checks. The camera's 6 adjustable LEDs ensure visibility, even in low-light environments. What stands out most is its lightweight design and stable Wi-Fi connection, which minimize lag during inspections. The unit also supports photo and video recording, adding convenience when documenting issues. With solid build quality and intuitive controls, the Kimpthe Endoscope offers impressive value for the price, making it a smart pick for users who want dependable performance without a steep learning curve or budget.
Product number 3. Teslong Two-Way Articulating Borescope. The Teslong Two-Way Articulating Borescope is engineered for professionals who require precision movement and high-quality imaging. Its standout feature is the articulating probe tip, which bends in 2 directions to navigate sharp angles and hard-to-reach spaces with ease. This makes it perfect for aviation maintenance, automotive diagnostics, and industrial inspections. The 1080p HD camera produces crisp visuals displayed on its built-in 5-inch IPS screen, giving users a convenient, phone-free experience. The waterproof design and bright LED lighting offer durability and clarity in dark or wet environments. The Borescope's stainless steel braided cable adds durability while maintaining flexibility, and the control buttons provide smooth articulation for fine maneuvers. Though priced higher than basic models, its professional-grade design and advanced functionality make it worthwhile for serious users needing accuracy, reliability, and smooth articulation.
Product number 4. MugEasy Endoscope Camera with Light. The MugEasy Endoscope Camera with Light is a solid choice for everyday inspections, offering a good mix of simplicity, clarity, and affordability. Its 1080p camera produces clean, detailed images, making tasks like drain inspections, wall cavity checks, or appliance repairs easier. The device connects smoothly to smartphones via a stable Wi-Fi signal, and its app interface allows users to view live footage, record videos, or take snapshots.
With a flexible 16.5-foot cable, it's long enough for most household and automotive applications. The 8 adjustable LED lights enhance visibility in dark or cluttered areas, and its IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability when working around moisture. While it doesn't include advanced features like articulation, Mug Easy focuses on delivering reliable performance and intuitive operation. For users seeking a practical, budget-friendly borescope with strong lighting and dependable clarity, this model stands out as a convenient option.
Product number 5. DX Zetos Two-Way Articulating Borescope. The DX Zetos Two-Way Articulating Borescope is designed with professionals in mind, offering precise maneuverability and exceptional image quality. Its articulating tip bends smoothly in 2 directions, allowing you to inspect around corners, valves, and internal engine components effortlessly. The built-in 4.5-inch IPS screen eliminates the need for a smartphone, giving you a bright, clear view of 1080p visuals on the spot. The stainless steel braided probe enhances durability, while the waterproof and dust-resistant camera head ensures long-term reliability in harsh environments. Adjustable LED illumination provides consistent brightness, even in dark or greasy spaces. The interface is straightforward, with well-placed controls for articulation, image capture, and video recording. Although this model sits in a higher price range, it delivers professional-level functionality and durability. For users needing advanced control, sharp visibility, and rugged design, the DX Zetos Articulating Borescope is a strong investment.